y'all, I'm Christine, the RV mama of 4. I've been traveling cross country for 12 years, so I'm here to show you that all the ladies can do this too, or if you are a new or beginner camper. The thing that I'm so excited to show you today, you guys, I am at the MORryde facility in Elkhart, Indiana. They have 4 or 5 different locations here where they make the products, they install the products. You can just pull right up like I did, you guys. This spot was so easy to back into, and this facility was so fast and easy to get to. And one of the things that they offer is this MORryde underbelly sliding storage tray. As you could see, you guys, all I did was lift this blue handle. That is the extent of what you need to be able to do. So easy. This is so solid. I'm really excited about the quality of this product, and this is soft, you guys. This isn't that bristly, hard insert that they put in here. This is nice and soft. It's not gonna be scratching up your tables and your chairs and things that you can put in here, both of which I'm gonna be putting in. So I took everything out so that they could install it. It's all in the back of my truck. This is so easy. If you're coming to the MORryde facility or you're ordering online, they have a booklet that has all the different measurements. I just took a measuring tape. I measured from here to here, and I measured from here to here. That's it. That's what I gave them. And they were able to install all of this just based off that information and the make and model. Now, they came out here to the parking lot. Before I even went in the trailer and grabbed a sweatshirt, they were already out here and ready to go. They were installing it. They had 2 of them, 1 on each side. 1 even crawled into the underbelly to make sure that the lock was set in the middle. You guys, that is white glove service. And the way that this works is it slides all the way out, and then if you watch, it's gonna hit a stop. See, it stops. It's not gonna fall on your toes. I was worried about that, and he showed me why it doesn't. It has this little yellow latch that's on this side, and then there's another one on the other side. It's just almost like a little clip, and that is what stops it on each side. The cool part about this, you guys, before I had the sliding belly storage tray like an hour ago, I could only reach in about 6 inches, this far, into my storage, and that was it. Otherwise, I hit my head. As you can see, it's not a huge opening. I have had more migraines from trying to reach in to find sewer gloves and drills and other things that I keep under there. And so anything that I wanted, I had to have stacked as high as could possibly be within the first 6 inches on this side and the first 6 inches on the other side, and everything in the middle was who knows what. I knew what was in there, but I could never get to it. This is going to be a game changer. If you are struggling with the same problem that I am, which if you have a travel trailer, I'm pretty darn sure you probably are, or a 5th wheel, you guys, they make them for both of them. They make these trays so they will fit your storage space. I know you have the same problem. This is going to be a game changer for you because it's so easy. You can pull it in, you can pull it out, you can put some things under here if you need to. I had to get a little bit of risers because I have this lip. You may not, and yours may be sunk down a little bit lower. That's the cool thing about coming to their facility, is I didn't have to worry about any of that. They took care of it. They said, oh, you need a little bit of a rise. We're gonna give you a little riser. So I'm very blessed to have had that and to have been able to come to Elkhart. But you guys, there's so much space from here to here that you're gonna be able to put in all kinds of things. I mean, I can fit chairs. I can fit, you can fit a little mini grill in here. I have so many gadgets. I have an axe because we're always, you know, chopping up firewood, and I can put my hose here. I have a little round circle container. It's just gonna be a complete game changer, you guys. No more migraines, no more headaches, no more everything in the middle is lost and unattainable. With this, the fact that it slides through all the way on both sides, I'm gonna be able to access everything. Everything I can't reach from here on, I just push through to the other side and I can reach it on that side. So you guys, if this is a struggle for you, definitely check out the MORryde underbelly sliding tray. All you gotta do is take your dimensions and you can order it online. You can come to Elkhart, but you guys definitely go out, check it out, and get yourself a sliding underbelly storage tray.